Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I thought I would share with you all a profit or loss update on my CryptoHopper trading bot that I deployed just about a month ago. In fact, I think it's just over a month. So with that all being said, let's get right into the weeds, and we are going to start over here in CryptoHopper on my dashboard, where you can see I have a couple different trading bots I've deployed over the years. Actually years, but right now the one that is actually active is the Binance US. The bot is trading ETH USDT, and it's utilizing a pretty basic RSI Bollinger Band strategy. And disregard the 19% profit, that is not accurate. So to get the actual numbers, we need to click on this bot and take a look at the actual trades and the profit or loss on those trades. Again, disregard the 19%. That is not accurate. I've done the math. This is not an accurate number, 19% as far as profit goes. Now, if we scroll down, you can see the bot is enabled and active. It's looking for signals. And then here in the middle of the screen, we can see the latest 5 trades. But to get a real feel for how this bot has performed, we want to see all the trade history. So I just click on all trade history. And now we can see the most recent trades up at the top, and then if we scroll down, we can see the entire history of trades. I deployed this bot around January 22nd, I want to say. It did take a few days to get a trade, and so for you action junkies, you can see it's only taken a few trades over that 30-day period. However, that is exactly how this strategy is designed. It is looking for pullbacks essentially, and then a reversal from that pullback using RSI and Bollinger Bands. And this strategy performs best in a market that is consolidating sideways or gradually moving up, because this is a long only type bot. Since Binance US doesn't offer options trading or futures contract trading, so there's no shorting, this bot is just looking to get long when triggered. And as we can see in the beginning, this bot took some hits. It did have one winner, but way more losers. And that's mostly due to Bitcoin dumping. So you got the pullbacks, a slight reversal, and then Bitcoin's price just rolled over. So this bot took some serious hits at the beginning of its deployment. But, however, once Bitcoin stabilized, the bot turned things around, and for the most part, it's been winning. The bot has only one loss out of 6 trades, so in my book, that's winning. It's not the 19% that you saw over on the other screens, but if we add up all the losses, that comes to around 13.23%, versus all the wins, that comes to around 15.31%. The bot is actually up 2.08%. Not very impressive in reality, but the bot did face that big sell-off, and because my losses are smaller than my wins, I thus have a positive risk versus reward ratio. The bot is in the green, however, just enough probably to cover fees. So overall, right now, after 30 days, the bot is winning, but in reality, it's probably break even. We will have to wait and see if Bitcoin's price is going to start to move up, or at least stabilize and consolidate sideways. This bot should outperform if that happens, but if Bitcoin's price rolls over and continues to sell off, this bot could get absolutely wiped out. And so with that being said, I'll definitely do another update in probably another 30 days. And so you might want to shoot that subscribe button so you don't miss out on that update. Now, if you're curious about the configuration of this particular strategy, we can jump over here to the configuration tab. And then we can scroll down here to strategy, give that a click. And then advanced TA settings, give that a click. And so we can see the candle size is the 1 hour candles. Now the indicators that I enabled were RSI and the Bollinger Bands. And then as far as the settings for the RSI, I set the period for 9, the oversold threshold of 20, the overbought threshold for 80, and I made RSI necessary for buy signals. And then the next indicator I have enabled for this strategy is Bollinger Bands with a period of 55, the upper band of 3, the lower band of 3. We're utilizing the SMA for the moving average, and again the Bollinger Bands are necessary for a buy signal. Now if you're interested in the complete setup of this actual bot step by step, I'll drop a link to that video down below and you can check out the complete setup for this trading bot. But for now, I think that's enough jaw jacking. I just really wanted to give you a quick update on how the CryptoHopper bot is performing after 1 month of action. And so far, it's in the green, but really probably after fees, it's pretty much neutral, which is better than a loss or a sharp stick to the eye. So with that being said, if you found this video informative, maybe you could spike a like. If you don't want to miss out on future videos, shoot that subscribe button, and you can always leave a comment down below. I read all of your comments or questions and try to respond to all of them. So with that all being said, until next time, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See ya.